guys, welcome to Hen's Kitchen and Lifestyle channel. Today we'll be making some apple crumble. With Christmas fast approaching, so we'll need some dessert or pudding to accompany the delicious dishes that we'll be making or having on Christmas Day. So stay tuned. Let me show you guys how I do prepare my delicious apple crumble. We'll start off by peeling the apples. For this recipe, I'm using 5 green apples. You can use any apple of your choice. So we'll peel the apples and chop them up into small slices. And also, guys, don't forget to wash your apples thoroughly before peeling them. I'll go ahead now and chop our apples into small slices. We'll then go ahead and put our apple slices into a pot. Then I'll add a bit of cinnamon. As you guys all know that I'm a cinnamon fan, that will give a bit of flavor. Then I'll go ahead now and add a bit of lemon juice. Just be careful with the lemon seeds. That is just to give some extra flavor. And then I'll add 100 grams of sugar. Then I'll bring this to a boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. We'll just bring it to a boil. I'm not going to add any water in because the lemon juice and the apples will produce a bit of water. So there's no need adding any water in there. And I'll allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes. While our apples are boiling, we'll go ahead now and prepare our crumble. So I'm using 500 grams of all-purpose flour here and 250 grams of butter. The secret here is 2 to 1 ratio. So I'm using 500 grams of flour and 250 grams of butter. I hope you all are keeping well and getting ready for Christmas. I'll go ahead with my clean hands and just mix the butter and the flour together. You knead your dough until it goes like breadcrumbs. I guess you guys can see. Then I'll go ahead and wash my hands now. I'll then go ahead and sprinkle a bit of cinnamon into the crumble. Then add 100 grams of sugar again. And last but not the least, I'll just add a bit of lemon zest just to add a little bit more flavor. I'll go ahead again and just mix everything up with my hands. Mix the sugar into the dough. And that is it with the crumble. Crumble is ready and our apples are all ready. So we'll go ahead now. See what I said, that there was no need of adding any water into our apples because the lemon juice and the sugar did produce some water. So I'll just pour that into my oven dish. And then I'll just go ahead now and add my crumble on top of the apple and carefully level everything up. I'll then go ahead and put my oven tray, put our apple crumble into the oven for about half an hour. We'll pop this into the oven for about half an hour at 180 degrees Celsius. Hi guys, our apple crumble is ready after sitting in the oven for half an hour. Look at that golden brown color. Try this recipe with your friends and family during the festive period. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you're joining me for the first time, you're highly welcome. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And to my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for always coming back.